These are the cucumbers I have here. I have a baby growing. I'm not gonna go inside right now because I gotta run. I put it on some, whatchamacallit. I don't want to touch the ground, so I put the cucumber on some, what do you call it? Bamboo leaves, so I don't touch the ground. And all the lettuce. These are beans. We have some Korean. Look at that. Look how the water pellets are around the edge of this plant here. That's cool. That is so cool. This is all thyme, sage. I have bok choy growing too. I had to cover it up in the sun. These are all the cucumbers I have over here. Look at all of the, I didn't even know I spread, what do you call it? Callaloo leaves. Callaloo seeds out here. Look at this. So under here we have bok choy and say, like, what do you call it? Lemon balm. These are beans, sorrel, marigold. I put the bok choy and I think it's kale under there to cover it from the sun. These are some bush beans. I have tomatoes over here and more beans, and this is I think there's another cucumber plant over here. This is cilantro, wild parsley. This is brown tomato, green cherry. I think this is mojito mint. The lavender. I put one corn here. It looks like it's growing. So we have tomato. We have squash, watermelon. Actually, it's cantaloupe, watermelon. I think honeydew. We got the kale, mojito mint. Look at this. That's a watermelon. So we gotta hide the stem or the base of these squash because we got vine board that can go in there and destroy from the base. We found one yesterday, so we put wallpaper and then we keep on covering up the root because what happens is they go in and destroy the plant from within. This is some thyme here. Yeah, this is another batch of thyme. Look at these tomatoes, they're coming in well. I gotta go. Right at tomatoes here. Alright. Look at the beef, steak. Look at these. This is lavender. Look at this bumblebee here. And we have these radishes that are coming in right here. One radish. This is butternut squash, coconut squash, summer squash. And here goes some more callaloo and radish, and I put some beets over there. There's our peppers, and I put beets. Last but not least, the corn stalk. So these are radishes right here, the marigold planted from scratch. So you have to cover these because the vine borers are slick. Beans. So we got the three sisters here. We got the squash, the corn, and the beans here. Look at this bust out of